Go outside, scrap the scrap metal today. I don't want to go outside, scrap the scrap metal today. Good morning. This quarter week before and after cleaning service, man, up this morning, man. Man, I tell you, man, it is freezing out here, man. I don't know what happened, man. We had a cold front that came through. I'm sure you guys the cars, man. It's ice all over the yard, man. All over the grass, ice everywhere, man. It's crazy out here, man. Anyway, man, it is cold out here, man, on this hump day Wednesday. I really don't want to get out here and work today, man. You know, I want to get my sleep on, but you know, you got to get out here and work. You got to pay the bills, man. You know how that work, guys. So anyway, man, get ready to get started this morning, man. Yesterday, man, didn't get a chance to film a video, man. It was freezing out here. I think the temperature here in Georgia, man, in the area that I was at, the high was 44 degrees yesterday. 44 degrees yesterday. I tell you, man, you get up in age, your body will tell you what to do. When you're young, you tell your body what to do. When you get up in some age, your body tells you what to do. Everything I touched yesterday was freezing cold. It was too cold for me to film a video. My knees were like, no, sir, it's too cold to be out here. My fingers, my hands, and my body were like, no, you're going to shut this down early today. And I was like, no, you do what I tell you. He was like, no, we rule the naked kingdom. You do what we tell you. And they won. They won. And they won by a large margin. It wasn't even a close fight. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys, man, what I have on the trailer. I did pick up some scrap metal yesterday, but I had to stop early, man. It was just too cold, man. It was 44 degrees, man. It felt like 37. So it was freezing temperature, man. Today's supposed to be, I think, in the mid to high 60s. So it should be a lot better today, man. So we're going to get out here and see what we're going to do. We're going to do some ride around and try to pick up some scrap metal. Here we go. Let me show you guys the truck and show you what I have on the back of this trailer. All right, here we go. All righty, guys. All right, here go the truck, man. Look at this. It's all over there, man. If you come over here, look at the yard, man. It's like ice everywhere, man. You know what I mean? So, you know, man, you just imagine yesterday, man. It was horrible yesterday, man. It's all over the cars and stuff like that, man. But anyway, man, we're gonna get on out here, man. Show you guys what I have on the back of the trailer here, man. I did pick this up yesterday. Now, this how it was yesterday. I was out there working, and you had like similar ice on things like this yesterday. Now imagine having some gloves on and you're trying to pick up some scrap metal like this. Metal gets cold, man. I tell you, it gets cold. And a little bit of gloves, the gloves is not going to save you. You and your hands, man. And my body spoke up yesterday. He won, and it wasn't even a close fight. So we're going to get into the truck. We're going to ride around, go get some scrap metal, and see what we can find. Let's get it. All right, run around the local area. See whatever I can find out here. Let's see. Let's ride, man. See what we can find out here, man. right, guys, like we coming up on something, man. What do we have here? We got something going on here, like some bed rails and some bed stuff. Yeah, somebody put a little metal on the side of the side over here. We're gonna get out here and take a look at it, man. Let's get out here and take a look at it. See what we have here. All right, guys, it looks like we have some bed rails here. Let's see. Yeah, about to put a futon out here. Yeah, so we'll take it. Get this guy loaded up here. Up there, got it up there. Keep it moving, keep riding around the local area and see what we can find. through this area and see what we can find here. All right, let's get it. Let's keep it moving. Guys, all right, we made it to the scrapyard here, man. I'm showing you guys what I have on the trailer here, man. Now, it wasn't much, it wasn't out there, man. I think I only picked up about 4 extra items, man. It wasn't much. I think maybe 4, maybe 5 extra items. This AC piece here, you know. I picked up this grill here. I'm going around here, the basketball goal there. Let me see, and I think that's and this bicycle, man. That's pretty much it. Just for 4 pieces, man. So it wasn't much out there today, man. I weighed in about 1,000 pounds. So today is almost a $70 day. Not too bad, man. I can take it for what it is. I make up grounds. Hopefully, you know, basketball season start. For those that know me, I love playing on fantasy basketball, fantasy football. So I make up grounds there, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I have on this trailer here, man. That's what I have on this trailer. Besides that, got some aluminum down there. Some aluminum gutters I'm gonna take up there. That'll add a little extra money to it. So I'm probably looking at about an $80 day, somewhere around there. So not too bad. Got some compressors that gotta come out the refrigerator. I got some cords that gotta come off of here, give or take, man. And it seemed like, let me see. Yeah, so it's not bad. It's a nice fair amount of gutters down here, aluminum gutters, man, that I can take up there, man. I get aluminum price for it, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna get everything offloaded, man, and finish making this day. So let's get this trailer offloaded. All right, guys, I pretty much got everything offloaded here, man. So everything is offloaded, but besides my aluminum gutters here, man. I have mold out the refrigerator. Let me see. Have the cords I gotta cut. What else I have? Might be a little something inside there, I don't know. Keep walking around here. I think I got a little piece of brass that I see that I'm gonna knock off of here. Take this little piece of brass and just keep walking around here. Pretty much it besides those cords, man. It's not really much that I had on the trailer today. You know, like I said, it's been slow the last couple of days, but that's fine, man. I can deal with that. That's fine with me, so I can live with that. But I want to show you guys something. Somebody dumped this out here. You know what I mean? It's a no-no, man. You know, a lot of people that come to this scrapyard watch my videos, man. This is a no-no. Don't do this. Please do not do this, man. You'll mess it up for all of us. The thing about it is they got to dispose of this. They do work with us. It took a long time to get here, man. They work with us. And some of the scrapyard, they fine you for stuff like this. You see this? They'll fine you for this. You know what I mean? For them, they'll work with us. They work with us. If you got a nice, decent load and you got an extra piece on there too that you have on there, they're willing to allow you to throw it off of there. You know, they don't really say too much about it, man. You know, this guy for dishwasher here, he have some little metal pieces in there and stuff like that, man. But look at this, it's plastic, you know what I mean? But that's fine. They're willing to work with you. They don't complain too much about that. They're not gonna say too much, man. You know what I mean? But what you don't do is throw out a full couch out there. You know, you keep doing it, man. You mess it up for all of us, man. So if you come to this scrapyard and you watch my videos, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys that do I know you're not going to come back out here and pick that couch back up, and that's all fine, man. They're going to dispose of it, but please, guys, don't do that, because you mess it up for all of us, man. And you know, once that happened, I can tell you that's a lot of scrap yards I used to go to. They used to fine us for every little thing. If it wasn't metal, you got fined for it. You know, you see $20 and $30 missing off your check, and you wonder why you're getting fined for everything, and then you can't go back out there and pick it back up. You know, especially if they took something, they took the excavator and raked it to the back to get it all loaded up, it's in there. So you just stuck with that fine, you know? So thing about it is, man, let's take care of what we have here. So that being said, you guys be blessed, man. Enjoy your day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.